Hello everyone, welcome to iExamB. We have started a new YouTube channel called Legal B where you can get dedicated information relating to law exams, upcoming legal vacancies, legal current affairs and important aspects of various acts and laws. Today we are starting with a new series related to legal maxims. Legal maxims are used on a regular basis in various acts, various laws. Even the Supreme Court uses the legal maxims in its judgments, in its interpretation of various statutes. It is similar to increasing the vocabulary in English. अब आप एक दिन में बैठकर तो सारी vocabulary नहीं improve कर सकते. You cannot just mug up the entire dictionary. Similarly, there are a lot of legal maxims, more than 1,000 legal maxims, but इसमें से कुछ काफी important हैं जो regular basis पे use होते हैं. इस series के through we are trying to bring one or two legal maxims for you on a daily basis. Using that, you can slowly improve your vocabulary related to legal maxims. हम ये भी डिस्कस करेंगे कि उससे रिलेटेड इंपॉर्टेंट केस लॉ कौन सा है, कौन से एक्ट से रिलेटेड है और कौन से सेक्शन से रिलेटेड है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर सीरीज टुडे. सबसे पहली चीज, व्हाट इज अ लीगल मैक्सिम. एक लीगल मैक्सिम एक वेल एस्टैब्लिश्ड लीगल आइडिया होता है या कोई प्रपोजल है या कोई डॉक्ट्रीन है जो यूजुअली लैटिन में एक्सप्रेस्ड है एंड वी हैव ट्राइड टू इंटरप्रेट इट एंड ट्राई टू यूज इट. These well established legal idea, these principles, they are used all across the globe in implementing various laws in fair and reasonable manner so that the principles of natural justice can prevail. The first legal maxim that we are going to discuss is ab initio. The term here to remember is initio, that is initial. Matlab from the beginning. The meaning of ab initio is from the beginning. You must have heard about this legal maxim combined with the word void. Very common use of this legal maxim is void ab initio. Now what does that mean? That means void from the beginning. Void का मतलब होता है null. So that means any contract, any act is null and void from the beginning, that becomes void ab initio. Let's try to understand with an example. A is a person who has entered into a contract with B and B is 13 years of age. That means B is a minor. Under Indian Contract Act, contract with minor is void ab initio. Because a minor does not have any legal capacity to sign a contract, this contract becomes invalid right from the start. Another example is any illegal contract. तो अगर A ने B के साथ एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया है where A has agreed to pay B rupees 10 lakh if B murders C. So this is an illegal contract. Any contract which is in pursuance of any illegal activity is not enforceable by law and it is void ab initio. Another example could be forged document, a forgery. Now what is the impact? A void agreement, a void contract is a null document, and a null document does not have any legal value, it cannot bind any person and does not create any legal right or liability. With the term void, there are two more terms that we discuss. One is valid and the another is voidable. तो एक बार इनको भी समझ लेते हैं. Void ab initio we have already discussed, that is null from the beginning. What is valid contract? Any contract which is enforceable by law. A and B has entered into a contract for the sale of a house. That is a valid contract. Now what is voidable contract? वॉइडेबल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है जिसमें कोई भी पार्टी बाद में उस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को एग्जीक्यूट करने से मना कर सकती है. दैट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मे बी रेंडर्ड अनफोर्सिएबल फॉर एनी लीगल रीजन. Let's take the same example. A and B has entered into a contract for the sale of house. But घर बेचते वक्त A ने B को नहीं बताया कि घर में कोई मटेरियल डिफेक्ट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल घर के रूफ में से पानी लीक होता है, तो अब B इस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट को एग्जीक्यूट करने से मना कर सकता है, इसको एनफोर्स करने से मना कर सकता है. एंड सच कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स आर voidable contracts. These contracts can be cancelled or altered फॉर एनी लीगल रीजन. अब वो लीगल रीजन हो सकता है कोई मटेरियल डिफेक्ट छुपाया हुआ है, कोई मिस्टेक है, कोई मिस रिप्रेजेंटेशन है, कोई फ्रॉड हुआ है, देयर हैज बीन अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस टू एंटर इनटू दैट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, or there has been a breach of contract. So for any of these reasons, a contract can be declared voidable by the party whose rights are being affected. So now we have studied the first legal maxim, that is ab initio, and the related terms. Now I'll give you a situation and I want you to guess to which legal maxim does this situation relates to, or you can also mention कि कौन से act से related है. There are two people, A and B. Now A is beating B on the road and there are many people who are watching this entire situation. Usually road पर group gather हो ही जाता है. Now what A has said during this incident, what B has said is valid. What C is saying, what D is saying, what E is saying, is this valid? And if it is valid, then under which section is this valid, to which act it relates to, and what is the legal maxim that we are going to discuss tomorrow. Thank you so much for listening to the video. You can write your queries to us at hello@iexambay.com. You can call us on this number mentioned on the screen. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all these information relating to legal exams. Thank you.